Elon Musk has officially entered uncharted territory in global wealth history, becoming the first person ever to surpass a net worth of $600 billion. According to Forbes, Musk's fortune is now estimated at $677 billion as of Monday afternoon, making him the undisputed richest individual on the planet by a wide margin. The major driver behind the historic leap in SpaceX, earlier this month, the private aerospace company completed a tender offer that valued the firm at a staggering $800 billion, double its $400 billion valuation recorded in August. With Elon Musk owning approximately 42% of SpaceX, the surge in valuation alone added about $168 billion to his personal wealth. Investors have hinted that SpaceX may be heading for an initial public offering in 2026, with projections placing its potential valuation as high as $1.5 trillion. If that happens, Musk could become the world's first trillionaire, even without counting gains from his other companies. SpaceX is now Musk's most valuable asset, with its stake valued at about $36 billion, overtaking its holdings in Tesla. Musk owns roughly 12% of Tesla, currently worth around $197 billion. Its controversial 2018 CEO performance stock options, valued at $69 billion, remain under legal review following a Delaware court ruling pending appeal. Another major contributor is xAI Holdings, the artificial intelligence company formed through a merger with X earlier this year, is reportedly raising funds at a valuation of $230 billion. Musk's 53% stake puts his share at roughly $60 billion. With an estimated lead of over $425 billion above the world's second richest person, Google co-founder Larry Page, Elon Musk is now closer to $700 billion than to losing his top spot. For now, Musk's unprecedented rise has redefined what extreme wealth looks like in the modern era, and the $1 trillion milestone no longer feels like science fiction. This is Flip TV.